Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack-a-Punch Traders here. Hope everyone has had a great weekend so far. We're back to it now. Let's go over the top plays for tomorrow, August 22nd. Here we got GBOX, one of the top plays. It's looking like a possible multi-day bounce. We're really just waiting for the volume to come back. We do have this low volume pullback. It's showing some signs of bottoming. Here we came back green, got a little bit of a longer wick. Body's coming back to the top end, showing some signs, just failure to really keep pushing lower. So keep an eye on this for a possible multi-day bounce. Typical entry around high at daybreak. Ideally, the volume really picks up because we have had a couple high at daybreak. Was it this one? No, it was DMS. I believe it had a high at daybreak or something, and just got stuffed. No volume here the other day, so that is a possibility. So really the volume, the momentum shift compared to the past couple of days, how it's working out. Does it sustain? Because you can have something like this where it does look a little different for a moment, but it doesn't sustain. So be patient, wait for the confirmation. Um, Better safe than sorry, in my opinion. Yeah, so be patient, wait for the high at daybreak, just momentum shift with some volume behind it. Same thing with BWV here. Another red day on lighter volume, so it's making some more lows with less pressure behind it, making me think now that we're getting back to a whole dollar, half dollar area where it held nicely at the end of the week here. Could possibly bounce as well. We do have a little bit more selling pressure going on here compared to GBOX, but nonetheless here, still got to be patient, wait for that volume to kick back. We did have a little bit of a perk on this one right out of the gate on Friday, but ended up failing. So this might be something where showing some signs of bottoming. The panic here is a lot smaller than it is here, even though we did make some new lows here at the end of the day, cracked 380s. There isn't really pressure pushing it lower. So I'm thinking that just might be a low volume breakdown, hold a key area, hold dollar, half dollar level. That could bring in some dip buyers and that could trigger shorts getting squeezed as well. So BWV on watch as well. For multi-day bounces, we got NEPT and EAR. Here's NEPT. Another low volume play on the backside, but that front side, a lot of volume there. So let's look intraday because I know I measure heavily how much selling was going on this day, but a lot of the backside happened here. So we got a lot of volume going on in the threes. So any shorts that are in this thing from the twos, threes, low twos, they're up decently right now. And if it shows signs of failure to break down, that could lead to shorts locking in profits. Um, so yeah, multi-day bounce there, as well as EAR. And there are a couple other ones as well. So if you want to check those out, look at the whole watch list on Twitter. But these are the multi-day bounces that I think have best odds of making the move we're looking for, or just ones I have preference for. So here's EAR, another great mover from 1 to 3.5. Now we're coming back trying to hold around 2, low twos. Got a nice double bottom past couple of days. So this could be another thing. Looking for that quick snipe, 20 to 30% move out of the multi-day bounce on average. So, you could get something like MEGL, like we did last week here. But, this one, I feel like is a little different. It had so much range as it was way off the highs. Comparing it to EAR just might not be the same, as this one is only 50% off the highs or so, compared to, what was the other one, like 80, 90 almost. So yeah, EAR, and here's lastly GRFX. We got a recent IPO breaking out. That pattern seems to be hot recently. I haven't traded it, but I've noticed a lot of IPOs breaking over the high that it sets, really taking off. And this one took off after hours. So now, just going to be patient, wait for the pullback, see if it confirms 2.5. That could be something that could lead it back to the 3.5 area. Could squeeze higher than that, but just for now, be patient. It's already come back decently. So just looking for the failure to break down. Dip buyers really starting to come back in. 2.5 really getting defended. Hopefully somewhere around open price, VWAP. So I got other key prices I can line up with it. So this one, yeah, just looking for the previous high of day break to hold to see if we come back to 3.5. Ideally further than that, go higher than that. So yeah, we'll just wrap that up there. There are the top plays for tomorrow. Here's the watch list. Got a bunch of plays really going on, but these are the top ones that I'm thinking should do something. Yeah, we'll just wrap it up. Hope this was useful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Ooh, and before I forget, just want to shout out this website again. The Ambitious app. This is a app my buddy is working on with his team. I will be one of the content creators for their penny stock courses. They got a bunch of courses going on, marketing and other digital work and whatnot. So if you're interested in learning some other skills and whatnot, the whole point of this is to bring it down more into learning into more of a social media form where it's quick, get to the point. Instead of taking hours upon hours learning a course, just really breaking it down into a quick bite-size form. So get on this wait list if that's something you're interested in. The app is pretty cool. I mean, it's in beta testing. Check that out. So yeah, please check that out if you guys would like. We'll just wrap that up. We'll be out with another video lesson soon, going over the week, any lessons, things to look for in the coming week. Besides that, we'll catch you guys later.